Welcome, beloved. Before we begin, I want to name something important. This meditation is an invitation, not a requirement. You are always in choice. If at any point you need to pause, open your eyes, shift your body, or step away, please honor that. Your safety comes first. Now, if it feels okay, begin by finding a position that allows your body to feel supported. You may be seated or lying down. Let your hands rest where they naturally want to land. There is nothing you need to achieve here. Nothing you need to fix. Nothing you need to release before you are ready. Simply allow yourself to arrive. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. No need to change it yet. Just notice it. Notice the rise of your chest, the fall of your body. If it feels comfortable, take one slow breath in through your nose and a soft exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale gently and exhale slowly. Let the exhales be a signal to your body that it can soften, even just a little. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel how your body is being held right now. You are here. You are present. You are safe in this moment. Now, begin to gently orient to your surroundings. Without opening your eyes, notice sounds around you. Perhaps near, perhaps far. Let your nervous system register. I am here, and this moment is not the past. If it feels okay, place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly or womb. Feel the warmth of your hands. Feel the rhythm beneath them. You do not need horse con. You are simply allowing your body to know it is not alone. Betrayal is not just something that happens to the mind. It happens to the body. So instead of revisiting the story, we listen to the body. Ask it gently without pressure. Where in my body do I still carry the memory of betrayal? There is no right answer. You may feel sensation. You may feel numbness. You may feel nothing at all. Whatever is present is welcome. If you notice a place in your body holding tension or emotion, simply acknowledge it. You don't need to change it. You don't need to heal it right now. Just notice. I see you. Betrayal often leaves behind an echo of self-doubt. So we speak directly to that now. Silently or aloud, if it feels safe, repeat after me. I did not imagine this. My body knew. My response makes sense. Let's pause. I released the belief that I was too much. I released the belief that I was not enough. What happened was not a failure of my worth. It was a rupture in trust. Let these words land gently. You do not need to believe them fully yet. Just allow them to be present. Now, bring attention back to your heart and belly. Imagine a soft, steady light beginning to glow beneath your hands. not bright, not overwhelming, just steady. This light represents your inner authority, your knowing, the part of you that has always been intact. With each breath, this light grows slightly stronger, not louder, just clearer. Silently repeat, I trust my body. I trust my intuition. I trust myself to choose what is right for me. If resistance arises, that's okay. Let the words pass through without force. Now gently acknowledge the crossroads without deciding anything. You do not need answers today. Simply say inwardly, I honor the path of sacred exit. I honor the path of sacred rebuild. Both are available to me. I do not have to decide right now. Feel the relief in not needing certainty. Healing does not require urgency. It requires honesty and time. Return your awareness to your breath. Notice how your body feels now compared to when you began. Ask softly, what does my body need after this practice? Rest, water, movement, silence. Let the answer be simple. Place both hands on your heart now. Repeat slowly. My body is sacred. My heart is sacred. My boundaries are sacred. I release what no longer protects me. I reclaim trust from the inside out. Begin to gently reorient to the room. Notice sounds again. Notice the temperature of the air. Notice the weight of your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes softly. You are bringing this awareness back with you, not leaving it behind. You may carry this gentleness into the rest of your day. Before we close, hear this. You are not broken. You are responding to something that mattered. Healing is not linear. Trust returns in layers, and you are allowed to take your time. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for being here, for listening, for choosing truth. If you would like to integrate further, down in the description, there is an integration journal, a companion, a temple offering, freely given, held with grace. With gratitude and reverence always, Jen.